up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? We've three times as and what's up, guys? Today we're playing Have I Ever Never Without you are in a lost killer enemy video. Oh, that's Have I Ever Never. And the teacher didn't even know when it was last year. Never ever broken a screen. The thing is, I broken my phone screen.
Guys, I've broken a lot. Not gonna lie, guys. I got the whooping. I've broken a lot.
Wow.
I got a good spanking.
Never ever been stuck somewhere I wasn't meant to be. Never.
Don't judge. Just look at my code. Look at my code. Don't judge. Don't judge. Look at my code.
Oh my god.
Don't judge, I say, bro. Don't judge.
I didn't judge. I just said, oh my god. Ever blamed a sibling for something I did? I have.
I did this countless times.
I even did it today, I'm pretty sure, guys.
Nah, bruh.
I'm sorry.
Bro's number one.
What?
Liar. Bro, be capping every day. Now you be capping every day. I've never.
Guys, what before I answer the question? What? Me be capping all day.
You be capping all day? You blaming your siblings and stuff?
I didn't even get the answer now.
Nah, bro, be capping all day. Every day, bro, has 50 caps on. That's how much times you cap.
But I never ever ignore a text. I have.
Don't judge, just look at my code.
And I don't judge. Don't judge me, self.
I'm chill.
Never ever cutted my own hair.
I have like a small piece.
A small piece I also have.
Just like a small piece.
Yeah, I once cut it like a long piece of my long piece, bro.
Okay. But mine was like a big chunk, but not that.
Never have I ever lied about my homework. I have. Don't judge. Don't judge viewers. Don't judge viewers.
We both have. We both got busted that day. We both got busted.
And guys, I met Mikhail in 4th grade. And we've been in a class now for 2 years. I have a pet cat.
I had like almost like 50 pets.
I had a lot of cats. I always liked cats. Never ever watch an entire television series
We
in a
had a
day.
lot of,
Wednesday, Squid
yeah,
Game,
I have.
more I can mention.
Mm,
Ninjago. Yeah, guys, I like Ninjago. Don't judge.
yeah.
I like Ninjago.
Okay, chill. She's the only one that hasn't. Nah.
She don't even answer. Never ever
Oh, yeah,
have snooped through someone's phone. I've never.
Muhammad finished the song. If Muhammad finished the song, if you don't know, does she not the OG? It's raining.
Tacos from out of the sky. Tacos. No need to ask why. Just open your mouth, then close your eyes. It's raining tacos, raining tacos.
Guys, don't judge. It is a singing session. Don't judge.
Singing session.
Tell them,
Never
yeah,
I
tell
ever
them to
tried to
not
get out of
judge, bro.
sports class. Mikael did get out of sports class once. You tried.
That was once, but I failed.
Wow.
That was like where you had to do like crazy stuff.
So yeah.
They literally in sports class, they literally think you like doing army training, bravo.
I'm kind of happy with the army training.
Nah.
I like to run,
Bro,
bruh.
doing army training.
What can I say? I'm quite fast. I'm faster than you.
Nah, bro, eating army food out here. Nah, bro, eating army food. Chill.
Don't judge.
Got a badge.
Don't judge.
I've never lied. Wait, did you? Wait. I'm not gonna judge. I'm just gonna look at your card and react in my mind.
Yo. Don't judge, bruh. Don't judge. Viewers, please. I'm not sure. I performed on stage.
I have never.
What, really? You've never?
Yeah,
Wow.
I've never.
Never ever spent more than 100. Not that I can kind of remember of.
Yeah. Like I
Yeah,
have. I have.
I'm kind of gonna.
Nah, these people broke.
Wow.
Ah,
Never have I ever been so mad.
something. I broke a glass. I got a whooping for that or so.
Just forget out of opens.
Bro, some judge.
Bro,
some
family
judging I
friendly,
get.
family friendly, please.
Bro, chill.
Never ever had something too spicy. I had.
Blowed up the. I actually blew the toilet up that day.
Wow.
Like I blew it up for real. I blew it up.
Never ever have been in a physical fight. No.
Hell,
No.
never, guys. This is family friendly. Never fight.
True. Guys, at the end of the month, our live stream is coming. And make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button so we can please get to 5K. Never have I walked around with toilet paper stuck to my shoe. Don't judge.
Never ever.
Don't judge. Don't judge. Don't judge.
Okay, I'm not gonna judge.
Please. Please, bruh.
I'm gonna judge you in my mind, but I'm not gonna say.
What can I say? Never ever. Remember last year we had a class next door?
Yeah, me and him actually went to the class, but we're not supposed to go there. We're supposed to actually go to the class opposite. So we went to
No, the class next to
door.
it. Remember that class was next door to us.
Yeah.
Last
We weren't
year.
supposed to go there.
Uh,
We're supposed to go to the other class.
true.
So we
Never
just
have I
walked in there
talked to my pet as they were a real person. I have.
only like twice. Only like 5 times, I don't know.
I could probably bring my pet right now and talk to him.
Not gonna lie, I also can bring my pet right now.
Never have I had stitches. I've never.
I let me think, I've never.
Why do you wanna think? Oh, we had stitches, it's alright to say. Because this video is to let me know you. I haven't lied so far here. Never have I prank
Maybe
called
I will
someone.
prank call someone.
No, I'm planning on doing prank calls soon.
Don't judge, don't judge, don't judge, don't judge.
I'm planning on one time buying a SIM card, then I put it in my phone, and then I call someone. Prank call.
A new SIM card.
Have I been suspended from school? Don't judge. Don't judge. Don't judge. Don't judge. It was by accident. They were first starting.
Guys, put fire in the comments. Put fire in the comments.
Never ever broken something at the store.
Broke something in the store? Hell no. I would get the whooping for 10 days straight, bravo.
Oh, we got the suspension.
No, if I broke something in a store.
Yo, I have to work to pay it back myself. Never ever been caught cheating on a test.
Sometimes I did, but I never got caught.
Wow.
I'm a master. I'm a master.
This year. Answer me this year.
No.
Oh. But this is literally a YouTube video.
This is literally a YouTube video, bro.
Never ever made a YouTube video. I have.
Come on.
You can't ask this type of video. Can't ask this type of question. Never ever on a state then let me check it.
I have a lot.
Then I checked.
Like, you can say like 15 times maybe.
Yeah.
Once I almost broke my chin. Because like my chin did knock, but it was paining, but it didn't like break.
Never ever laughed so hard I spat out my drink.
Don't judge. I was drinking coffee and I spat it on the wall and I got a spanking because the wall was stained.
But you get way too much spankings and you lie. I know you don't get spankings.
Bro, because I do the wrong stuff. Like
Never
ever.
On
the wall for like days.
No, never
I never rage quit. Never give up, guys. Never give up. I never rage quit. Nah, mama, nah.
You lying right there. Never ever had gum stuck in my head. Last time when we were playing this game, you answered yes on that question.
Nah, but I never rage quitted. It's
You
only
lie.
like when my Wi-Fi disconnected, but I never rage quitted.
Never
I
ever
never
had
left the match
food
myself.
poisoning. Never.
Never, bro. Never.
I've
Bro,
never.
I'm gonna crash out if this one question comes again. Have you ever made a YouTube video? I'm gonna crash out if that one question comes
Never
again.
ever waved to someone who I thought was waving to me but wasn't.
Never. Well, I'm not gonna charge it out. I just wanna see what your code is gonna say, brother.
Please don't judge. Please, bruh. I ask you nicely.
Wait, damn.
I said don't judge.
That was me.
I got confused, bruh. Because have I ever choked on water? Yeah, I have.
All I'm saying is I have. I'm not gonna explain how, but I have.
Yeah. I can explain. I wanted to laugh. Then I accidentally choked. Because I swallowed the water instead of spitting it out.
I was drinking water. My sister made me laugh. It went up my nose. It came out my mouth.
Have I ever
And I
snuck
like
into a
couldn't
movie
breathe for a
theater?
couple of
I
seconds.
have, but I did pay for the ticket. It was just underage.
Do not judge. I never did that. I like snuck into one cause like I think my mommy had my phone. So they never caught me. I just snuck. There were seats.
What? Never ever be-
So I
have,
just took my
never
phone and
have
ran
I
out.
ever pretended to be sick to skip school. I have.
We both have. We both have. Don't. We both have.
Last year you were literally staying at home whenever you want to.
You also, bro.
I didn't stay every time home. I always came to school. Never ever try. Never have I ever walked into a glass door. I've never.
Like, how would you be so blind to walk into a glass door? Like, there is some people that vision is bad. I would like understand if your vision is bad, but if your vision is good, how do you walk in a glass door? Like, come on, right now, you have to get some glasses, my boy. Sort yourself out. Some glasses.
Never ever got stung by a
never
bee.
done.
I never.
Never,
Never.
never, never, never. Muhammad,
Yeah.
red apples, red apples.
Let's pause quick. Wait, let me quickly pause.
Do
Wait.
you hear?
Wait, let me quickly pause. Let me quickly pause. Didn't get a chance to pause
Okay.
quick. Pause quick, guys. Red apples. Sorry, guys, we had to pause.
Sorry. Yeah, sorry guys, I had to ask him something.
Yeah. He's my partner after all. He's not new. Never ever use my brother or my sister's clothes. I'm the oldest.
Hell
I'm the
no.
oldest. I'm the oldest.
Yeah, you are the oldest. How can your younger siblings close like blow, blow, blow?
They wore my clothes. They wore my clothes. Just know that.
Ah,
No, like my baby clothes. Like my baby clothes. When I was a baby, they wear their clothes.
oh, baby clothes. Nah, bro got the baba clothes. Bro got baba clothes.
Never ever gone. What? Camping.
This Mr. Literally came up like 4 times. I'm gonna have a crash out, bro.
I'm not answering it because it came the whole time. I'm not even sure when did it come, to be honest. Yo. Never ever met a celeb. Guys, I think we're gonna end the video here because everything is gonna get rounding up again. So if you guys like this video, make sure you please help us get to 5K. I'll see you guys in the next video. Shit, guys, sleep. Next intro.
Go to sleep.